Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Unibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. NAFDAC denies registration of long-placing herbal tea for smokers. Lookman, Nnadozie gets NFF's backing for 2024 CAF Awards. Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger to permanently exit ECOWAS in 2025. And now full details of the news. The National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control has debunked claims that it approved a long-placing herbal tea for smokers. The Director General of NAFDAC, Mojisola Adeyeye, in a statement said the product identified as Long-Talk Smoker's Pride was rejected during registration. The statement reads, "The attention of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, has been drawn to a misleading video circulating on social media alleging that NAFDAC approved the registration of a herbal product, claiming that smoking is healthy when used with their product. NAFDAC wishes to categorically state that this claim is false and completely unfounded. The product in question, Long Detox Tea or Long Detox Smoker's Pride, or any similar product, is not registered by NAFDAC." The Dangote refinery has exported premium motor spirit petrol to Cameroon, Angola, Ghana, and South Africa in the past few weeks. The Vice President of Oil and Gas, Dangote Industry Limited, Divakuma Edwin, disclosed this while paying host to a delegation from the Japanese business community in Nigeria, led by Japan's ambassador designated to Nigeria, Suzuki Hideo. In a statement on Sunday, the company's spokesman, Anthony Chijinna, quoted Edwin as confirming that products from the refinery meet international standards and are already being exported globally. In sports, the Nigerian Football Federation has thrown its full support behind Ademola Lookman and Chiamaka Nnadozie as both players vie for top honors at the CAF Player of the Year Awards. Lookman is a strong contender in the men's category, while Nnadozie is in the running for the women's category. In other categories, the Super Eagles and Super Falcons are National Team of the Year finalists, while Falconets and Rivers Angels forward Chiamaka Ochukwu is in the final three for Women's Young Player of the Year. And on the international scene, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger Republic will stop being members of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, from 2025. President of ECOWAS Commission, Aliou Touré, made the announcement during the 66th Ordinary Session of Heads of States and Governments in Abuja. According to reports, the military regime in Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger announced their immediate withdrawal from the ECOWAS in January this year. Prior to the withdrawal, the trio were suspended from ECOWAS, with Niger and Mali facing heavy sanctions. However, Touré said ECOWAS has now set the country's exit at January 29, 2025 to July 29, 2025. Up next is the entertainment news. Nigerian model Samuel Nwajagu has become the first African to win the Mr. International pageant. Samuel Nwajagu made history at the 16th edition of the Mr. International competition held in Bangkok, Thailand on Saturday, December 14, 2024. The competition welcomed 47 entries across the world. In July, Nwajagu was crowned Mr. International Nigeria, which qualified him for the global competition in Thailand. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Unibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.